Alright, so what does cheese, dog food, bubble gum, octopus, shrimp, fish, toothpaste, and orange juice have in common? Everybody know? They are some of the worst ice cream flavors ever created. It sounds nasty for some things. So when ice cream was first invented, it wasn't called ice cream. It was referred to as cream ice. It's kind of weird. But the first advertisement for ice cream in America appeared in the New York Gazette on May 12, 1777. Until 1800, ice cream remained a rare and exotic dessert enjoyed by the most elite. In the 1940s through the 70s, ice cream production were relatively constant in the U.S. And did you know that ice cream was also a moral symbol during World War II? And did you know that giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth? It's pretty cool.
Do you guys know how much ice cream is consumed per year?
22.
Actually, the average is 22 pounds. So, in 2014, the United States consumed over 872 million gallons of ice cream. That's quite a lot. And there are over 1 billion sheep in the world. China has the largest number of sheep in the world. That's quite a lot. That's a lot of ships to come from.
On April 8th, every year, a bunch of families come together and go visit the animals at the zoo to celebrate National Zoo Day. The United States' first public zoo is known as Central Park Zoo. It was opened in 1874 in New York. There are 350 zoos in the U.S., and the largest zoo is located in San Diego. And it is 100 acres with 650 different species of animals. And approximately 175 million people visit the zoo each year. And did you know that cheetahs are the fastest land animal in the world, reaching speeds of 113 kilometers per hour?
Our first ice cream cone is the koala cone, right here. And you can use any ice cream to your liking. Right here it has strawberry and vanilla. And for the eyes you have M&Ms, for the ears you have small cakes, and for the nose you have chocolate-covered peanut. Although koalas are not endangered, the wild population of them is critically threatened and in need of our protection. The Australian Koala Foundation estimates that upwards of 80% of original koala habitat in Australia has been cleared since European settlement. If you buy the koala cone, 10% of the profit will go to the Australian Koala Foundation.
The next ice cream in the African savanna is the elephant explosion. This ice cream flavor is vanilla with chocolate chips as eyes and all in a waffle coat. The third ice cream is known as the Blue Blitz. With this creation, the base will be filled with delicious graham crackers and topped with Blue Moon ice cream, topped off with Lifesavers. The graham crackers represent the sea bottom, the Blue Moon ice cream represents the ocean, and the Lifesavers represent the fish. That ice cream was inspired by the seals at the Cleveland Zoo. The seals were very fun, playful, and this is what we wanted to incorporate with our ice cream.
So our challenge is, when you buy your ticket at the zoo, you are going to ask the worker for the Chills scavenger hunt, and next you will read the riddles and try to figure them out. So for an example, you could have, I am a big furry mammal, I growl and I roar, I can be a few different types, grizzly, black, brown, and more. So yeah, you guys see what that is? Yeah, it's a bear. So you guys would go to the bear exhibit, you take a picture with the bear, and you post it on Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag #ChillAtTheZoo, and you will be featured on our wall.
So if you want to help save the koalas, go to Chills and buy a koala cone.
Now, first, go.